Have you ever wondered how your message on WhatsApp reaches your friend in just a few seconds? Or how your favorite YouTube video loads from a faraway server? And more importantly, how is all of that kept safe from hackers and bad guys? The answer lies in two powerful ideas: computer networks and cybersecurity. Let's break it down together. No tech degree needed, I promise. First, what is a computer network? Imagine you're in a classroom and all your friends have walkie-talkies. You can all talk to each other, share jokes, or even play games together. Now, replace the walkie-talkies with computers, and you've got a network. A computer network is a group of computers that are connected together so they can share information, files, and resources, like the internet, printers, or games. When your phone connects to Wi-Fi at home or school, it's joining a network. When you play an online game with your friend across town, your devices are part of a bigger network. And when all the networks in the world connect together, you get something massive called the internet. A famous quote says, "The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow." Bill Gates. That's how powerful computer networks are. They connect people from every corner of the world. Types of networks in simple words. LAN, local area network, like the computers in your school connected together, small and local. WAN, wide area network, like the internet, huge and spread across cities or countries. Wi-Fi, wireless networks that let you connect your devices without cables. Computer networks help us do everyday things like send emails, play online games, watch Netflix, share files, print documents wirelessly, talk to friends through video calls. But wait, with all this sharing, isn't our information at risk? That's where our second superhero steps in: cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Let's go back to our classroom. What if someone tries to listen to your private walkie-talkie chat or steal your lunch? You'd want some protection, right? In the digital world, cybersecurity is like the bodyguard of your data. Cybersecurity means protecting computers, networks, and data from people who want to steal, destroy, or misuse it. Just like we lock our house doors at night, we need digital locks, like passwords, firewalls, antivirus software to protect our online lives. Real-life examples of cybersecurity. Passwords protect your social media accounts. Two-step verification sends a code to your phone to double-check it's really you. Antivirus software stops bad programs from damaging your computer. Encryption scrambles your data, so even if someone steals it, they can't read it. There are also people called ethical hackers who try to find problems in systems before the bad guys do, like digital detectives. Why should you care? Imagine your photos, messages, or bank info being stolen by a hacker. Scary, right? That's why learning about networks and cybersecurity is super important for students, parents, teachers, and even big companies. Every app you use, from games to shopping, is connected through networks, and every one of those apps needs cybersecurity to keep your info safe. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore how the internet actually works, what really happens when you click send, and how you can protect yourself online using simple tricks and tools. We'll also learn about cool jobs in cybersecurity, where people fight digital crime and protect companies, schools, and governments from cyber attacks. So if you want to become a smart internet user, or even a future cyber detective, stay with us, because networks are the roads of the digital world, and cybersecurity is your seatbelt. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.